Namaste. Hope you are doing well. Today we will tackle the 15th problem of ISI MSTAT 2023 PSA. So it directly seems to be a number theory problem where you're given this big number and you have to check how many of such numbers are divisible by 45. So yeah, you need some basic number theory knowledge and the knowledge of how to count properly. Let's get started. Now, the questions that we should ask before tackling this question is, why in this number is a present 9 times? What is special about 9 that can be used to simplify this question? And once we have that information, how do we indeed simplify this? So the answer to these two questions is here. The sum of the digits of a number, if that sum is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. This is the basic number theory point that we needed. And in this number, if you add the sum of the digits plus 3 zeros, you get 9a. It's divisible by 9. So this number is divisible by, more so, it is divisible by 10 because it's ending with a 0. So this number is divisible by 90. Hence, by default, it's divisible by 45, as 45 into 2 is 90. So the problem simplifies to just check for this portion, because if this segment is divisible by 45, this segment is divisible by 45, then the resultant number is also divisible by 45. And so we just have to check the combinations of B.C.E such that this number is divisible by 45. And a good way to go about it is see the range of B.C.E. It's from, say, this to this. This range of values is what B.C.E can take. And the way we can then go about it is to check how many multiples are there. And we could go about it with this. Just divide 999 by 45, the integer division. See how many quotient, what's the value of the quotient, and that's the number of multiples. But the combination 0, 0, 0, if we put it like this over here, even then the resultant is divisible by 45, right? So it's 22 plus 1 possibilities for B.C.E. And for A, discarding just the digit 0, we have 9 possibilities for it. And how do we get the answer finally? Principle of counting, that's it. Because the way we structure the problem, A and B.C.E, these two were independent of each other. That's why we could use principle of counting to multiply the possibilities and get the answer. And before leaving, some ways to build your base is this habit which ISI has of involving the year of exam, the number of the year of exam in some way, in some question. So be on the lookout for that. It may get easy. And if you like this, if it was helpful, then the request is just give a smile to 9 living beings of your choice. Cats, dogs, humans, you take the pick. Just be kind to some living beings around you. And take care. Hare Krishna.